Alright, guys, it is slowly becoming the end of day 3. Doing a little recap for you here. Swiveling in the office chair. I have been working on books all day. So, yeah, again, if you are a reader or if you know somebody who's a reader, people like me are working to make sure Amazon has stuff. Yeah. So I'm going to give you a little glimpse of what's happening in the kitchen, a little akapaka cooking, as we're calling it. We ran out to Costco today, did a little social distancing, running around the store away from people. Just got some supplies like, fruits and vegetables, things like that, and some cleaning supprox. That's supplies and products. Cleaning supprox. There you go. All right, so I'm at the Costco in Seaside, and they have turned the entire food court into an auto display. So there's your thing of the day. People generally being calm. We just came out for grocery shopping. Yeah, so I actually made progress today. The pile on my desk is small, but I got a bunch of magazines that are going to be going to Amazon. Yeah, been talking to some people about doing some apaka cooking videos formally. If there's something you guys want to see, I'll put that on the cooking channel, but this is just a StruggleSoup where we're using this for the blogging purposes right now. All right, you guys, on day 3 here of being sequestered, we're going to do a little apaka cooking. I'm not talking about like dangerous low levels or anything here, but I thought I'd show you guys what I'm going to make. So I'm going to make some brown rice. So I've got 3 cups of brown rice here, and I've got 6 cups of water here, and then I've got some vegetables. So what I'm planning on doing is cooking the brown rice, and I'm making a lot of brown rice. And then when it's cooked, I'm going to make a stir fry with some vegetables. So I'm going to be using some carrots and some onion. This is a little bit of chicken fat. And always remember to season your food, because if you're going to be sequestered away, one of the things that's going to make you long for the outside world, if you will, is good food. So make sure you're making yourself good stuff. I just wanted to show you this. I already scrubbed these 2 carrots, but I wanted to show you this. So if you see here, there's these little roots that are starting to grow. The carrots are a little bit older. They're totally fine. So if you're sequestered away and your carrots start to do this or they start to shrivel, don't worry about it. They're still good. They've still got nutrition to them, and of course they've got taste. So I just wanted to show you that. So yeah, so I'm just making some brown rice and some vegetables. We've got some leftover meat in the fridge. And yeah, this is day 3's meals, and I'll turn on to probably day 4, maybe a little bit day 5, depending on how much we eat. Here's also a hot tip. So we save our water bottles and clean them, and I use them to store things like grain, because I buy grains in big bags. And these are great because, let me show you. If you take it over here and you put it in the cupboard, we have this cool thing that slides out. Check this out. They all fit together like a puzzle. I've got corn, popcorn, beans, pasta, all this. But I love the fact that these fit in here and they all fit together. All right, there's some hot tips for you on day 3. Oh, well, I might as well show you how to make the rice too. So, okay, so for my rice, I read the instructions on the bag. It is a 2-to-1 ratio. So we have 3 cups of rice, brown rice, Lunenburg, California, and 6 cups of water. Just dump that in. And then I'm going to put some salt because flavorless rice is terrible. And then I'm just going to set this boop-a-doop in the Instapot, and it has a rice cooking function, and we'll just set that to go. Rice, and yeah, then we have rice. All right, so peeled some vegetables, been doing a little prep here, probably 10 minutes of work. I am excited and proud when I work with vegetables. I work hard at making them nice. They cook evenly. Maybe this is a skill you want to learn while you're being shut in for the apocalypse. If you'd like, I can put some links to videos where I show you how to cut up vegetables. But yeah, it's important. It gives you something to work on. And what new skill might you be learning while you're stuck at home? Take the time. Learn to cut up vegetables. All right, let's check on our perfectly cooked rice. Should be. Oh, look at that. Looking perfectly good and fluffy. A little wet, but we'll let it dry for a little bit. And then we'll use it in our fried rice. So just to let you know. brown rice. Vegetables. Alright, so looking like our vegetables are getting steamy and delicious. I'll take that off and let them dry down a little bit. I think we'll probably use maybe half of these for dinner. I'll put the other half in the fridge for tomorrow. So it always helps to do stuff in a big batch. I've also got garlic ready and also cut up some pork. Alright, muscle peeps, it's time for your protein. It's time to get some scrambled eggs going in here. So I just scrambled some eggs in the middle. Added a little garlic, so we'll just cook this a little bit. Alright, and while that's cooking, I got about 1 cup of cooked pork there. And I will put a little splash of soy sauce on there. And keep scrambling your eggs. Smelling delicious. A buck of cooking. I don't know what else to tell you. Just plugging along here. I have literally been on Amazon probably 9 hours today, filling in stuff, photoshopping pictures, writing descriptions, all that kind of stuff. I did go yesterday. I forgot to put a little clip here. Boop. Went to the home brew supply place yesterday. There was only one person there, and got some disinfectant and things like that. If you guys need disinfectant, go to your home brew supply. Like, you get some benzene-based stuff. You mix like 1 ounce with 5 gallons, and you can disinfect the whole world. And you don't even have to rinse it, so you can just use it right away or air dry it. Don't touch your face. I know. Anyway, got that because on Sunday, the raccoon and I are going to start making some plum wine. So I got some yeast and I got some cleaning products for that. Tomorrow is Saturday, and this is all over the place. Sorry, I need to get us on tripod. We're going to make some plum wine on Sunday, so that'll be day, 5 of quarantine, but we'll get that rolling. We have the plums that we picked and froze in the summer, so I'm excited by that. I got a bunch of sugar, so we'll probably make some rather potent wine, and I'm excited by that. In that same vein, if you will, I'm going to have a video coming out about tree trimming. I totally hacked back the old plum tree, and believe it or not, it's been months now, and it's growing really, really well. I did what's called a pollard, which is where you really chop it back. The tree's like 60 years old. And I'm so excited because yesterday I was looking on it, and there is already fruit for the season. So that is very exciting. The tree was so full of blossoms, it's crazy. Anyway, all right, enough blabbing. I'm going to entertain you with a little alpaca cooking. If I didn't already show you there, I made some fried rice today. That's what's up. That's what's up with what's up. Anyway, yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Wash your butt. Use less toilet paper. Do not flush your wipes. I was hearing a thing about that. And clogging the sewer system. A little bit of a daily vlog for you. If there's more information you want to know, my friend Robert McJunkins sent me some pictures of his kitchen today and asked for some suggestions about what he might make with his alpaca cooking. And I would love that. If you guys want to send me pictures or post them on Facebook, I'd love to have the challenge of showing you guys what you can make with what you got. It's like a 1950s post-war cookbook. All right, you guys. I hope you're well, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.